Imagine a world where frontline workers are not chained to their desks, but instead have the power to access vital business applications right at their fingertips. How transformative could that be? Consider this, a case study of a leading healthcare provider. Prior to embracing mobile technology, their frontline staff juggled multiple patients, paperwork, and desktop computers, a challenge to say the least. A change was imperative. They chose to equip their staff with mobile devices that provided access to primary business applications. The transformation was astounding. Efficiency skyrocketed. Nurses could update patient records in real time, doctors could refer to critical patient data on the go, and administrative staff could handle scheduling and billing from anywhere in the facility. The benefits were not just operational. Patient satisfaction improved as staff could dedicate more time to personal care rather than administrative tasks. In the construction industry, a similar change unfolded. Foremen could access project plans, resource allocation, and daily reports right at the construction site, leading to improved project timelines, better resource management, and enhanced safety protocols. These examples are just a glimpse of how mobile access to business applications is revolutionizing industries. They underscore the fact that mobile technology is not just a convenience, but a powerful tool that can transform the way a business operates. In summary, mobile access to business applications empowers frontline workers. It increases efficiency, improves service delivery, and boosts customer satisfaction. It liberates staff from the confines of their desks, allowing them to deliver their services where it matters most, at the heart of the action. So as we move further into the 21st century, it's clear that mobile technology is not just an option, but a necessity for businesses striving to stay ahead. It's a bold step towards transforming traditional workplaces into dynamic, efficient, and customer-centric environments. This is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. A new way of working that puts the power of business in the palm of your hand. So, embrace the change, harness the power of mobile technology, and watch your business thrive.